So I'm big into solar power. One of the reasons is because I live in an RV full time, and I spend pretty much the whole winter without being plugged in anywhere. I have over 1,000 watts of solar panels and 600 amp hours of battery power. If you don't know what that means, that's okay. That's a lot. That allows me to do everything pretty much that you do at home. And I also have a generator, but mostly 99% of the winter, it's on solar power. And it's efficient because I don't have to pay for it. I pay for the equipment and I don't pay an electric bill when I do that. And it's clean power. It comes from the sun. The sun rays come in and I record videos and watch TV and run appliances, my air fryer, my microwave. I do all that stuff through the power of the rays of the sun that are there anyway. It's pretty amazing. And so it's no wonder that when we talk about sustainable energy, people talk about, these wind farms, but mostly they talk about solar. And out west here, you see these big solar arrays, and they're fairly controversial because people say, hey, it ruins the ecosystem in the desert, and it's harmful to the environment. And there's a lot of truth to that. But this article I read today talks about something that I thought would be pretty obvious, and that is when you plant solar arrays out, plant food. Can you do that in the desert? And it turns out, yeah, you can. I'm just going to read from the article. Just south of Longwood, Colorado, in the sun-drenched foothills of the Front Range is a small but bustling family-owned farm. On an average summer day, Jack's Solar Garden, people grow spinach, sage, strawberries, mingle with students studying sustainable food production as bees and other pollinators around him hum. That's pretty neat. This type of combination of produce and solar panels is called agrivoltaics, a relatively new and exciting idea that can provide ecological, economic, and community benefits in addition to clean energy. So when they started studying this, they did it in a place deliberately that was had very poor soil for growing things. So they said the study they did, only after a year, the project showed that we can grow a variety of crops under a solar array that wasn't originally designed for planting, even if the site is in bad shape to start. So I don't know if this is going to, work in the middle of the Mojave Desert, but it certainly works in areas that didn't seem suitable for growing crops to begin with. So this is pretty exciting stuff, and it's certainly good news for the environment. And you know what? Good news for the environment is good news for you and me. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow.